Hey, hey, hey. There he is, my favorite patient. How you doing, man? What's going on?
Hey, doctor, how you doing?
Well, no, this ain't about me, man. This is about you. Like, how you
Nah,
look like
I
you
ain't
don't look
feeling
too
too
good,
good at
man.
all.
Like, how you feeling? Talk to me.
This is just like I don't even know what to call it, man. Like it's painful. Like I just really need to feel better.
Well, I'm glad you said that. Now, I won't be doing your operation, but luckily we got the best doctor in
You
the
got the
country.
best doctor in the world now. I like that. I like that. Well, go ahead, send him in.
Will do, buddy. Will do. Nurse, can you send the doctor in, please? What's going on, nephew? I see you, man. What's going on, nephew?
Why? Man, that ain't no doctor, man. Like, that's my Uncle Ratchet. Uncle Ratchet, what are you doing here, man?
What you mean, man? What you mean I'm doing? I'm been talking good about. I'm been talking good about. I got my.
No, just no, Uncle Ratchet, please. Like, yo, doc, you gotta, like, nurse, you gotta send me another doctor. Like, don't let this man operate on me. Don't let this man operate on me.
Well, I'm afraid we can't do that, sir. He was the only doctor we had available. Let me tell you about I got that, but I put thing down, but I never put that down, but I put in it, I put that down, but I put them on PhD, nigga.
Uncle Ratchet.
Boy, you ain't supposed to do this. You ain't supposed to do this. You ain't supposed to do this, boy. Don't touch
You
boy.
tripping for real, Uncle? No.
Look at. All right, let me tell you something. Let me Uncle Ratchet tell you something, boy. Let Uncle Ratchet tell you something, boy. Put the thing right there, do that thing. I do that thing. You get a new one. You get a new. You ain't gotta worry about that, boy. You ain't gotta worry about that.
You